So usually when I record, especially makeup videos, I either listen to a podcast. So today I'm listening to Black Girls Heal. I love this podcast. There's other few I usually do listen to, but that's the one I'm listening to today. I just kind of take the time to um, just relax. Like, it's relaxing. It's therapy for me to do my makeup. So why not add a bonus type of therapy session in along with it? Black Girls Heal is really good for that. So I did my brows and they okay today, but whatever. I did them, and now I'm gonna go ahead and get started with the rest of my face. So today I'm going to take you guys through my simple, basic filming day makeup routine. I usually opt for this routine when I'm just filming a simple sit down, talk with me, or a hair video where I'm not too much focused on my makeup look. So you guys are going to see me going in with my Morphe translucent powder in the color Rich. You guys already know this is my favorite translucent powder ever. I always use this as a base before applying my foundation. Honestly, guys, I don't color correct because I feel like this gets the job done. So I don't need to color correct. So next I'm going in with some mascara just to prep for my falsies and let that dry a bit. And then I'm going to take Jackie Aina's palette and just deepen my crease. Honestly, this palette is so multifunctional. I love it because I can use it for simple looks like this, or I can use it for a full-on glam look. So what I'm doing now, I'm just deepening my crease. Nothing too crazy, just to add a little pizzazz, but nothing too harsh, nothing too hard. Definitely keeping it as natural as possible. This look is great for videos like your try on hauls, things like that, because you're going to be wearing different types of outfits and you want to make sure your makeup is fitting for everything that you're putting on. So I definitely use different variations of this makeup look, but for the most part, this is the basic of the basics, like very general here. I'm taking my time and blending this as much as possible because, again, I want this to be a nice, natural, flushy type of look. So I don't want my eyes to be doing too much. So I'm taking these Kiss lashes. They're in the style Velvet. They're nice and wispy. So they give a nice, natural look. Nothing too dramatic, nothing too crazy. It's a perfect lash for an everyday style if that's what you're going for. So, of course, I'm spraying my beauty blender with some setting powder, and I'm going to add my Superstay Maybelline foundation. Guys, when I tell you I feel like I have found the perfect combo for me, this Morphe powder and this Superstay foundation just work like magic together. I have been using this combo all month, and I really want to do a video of my top 5 inexpensive foundations, and trust me, this will probably be number 1 on the list. Chad, I'm always getting foundation all up in my hair. I need to get some more head wraps to put on my head when I am doing my makeup because I'm always doing that. See how this combo is giving very much skin? I am in love. I'm obsessed. So I'm taking my Juvia's Place concealer in the number 11, and I am just going to apply that on the places I want highlighted. For a little bit of extraness, I'm taking my e.l.f. concealer in the color Tan Walnut, and I'm just placing that right on top of it. Um, I feel like the Juvia's Place is a little bit too close to my skin tone, so again, just to brighten it up a bit, I'm adding this. And of course, you want it to dry. You want to make sure your concealer dries down before you start blending it out. That way, it does not lift up your foundation. Learned that from Auntie Jackie Ina. Be sure to take your time when you are blending out anything on your face, but especially your concealer. You don't want big demarks of indication on your face. That's not cute. So I'm taking my Black Radiance translucent powder, and I'm just going to put that on my face where I highlighted, and also my smile lines. I also really like this powder for baking. I've tried a few other ones and they just leave too much of a cast on my face, or my face is too textured when I use it. So I definitely like this $7 Black Radiance one. Like, I stock up on it just like I stock up on my Morphe powder. So I do not leave the powder on my face too long. I almost sweep it away right away. But I do let it sit for a few seconds and just get it wiped away so I can prep my face for some face powder. I come to find that Fenty Beauty's bronzers are a little bit lighter. So when I'm going for a more natural look, I always grab mine. So the one I have is in the color Coconati. So I'm just going to add some color back into my face and bronze everything up. And then afterwards, I'm going to go in with my face powder, which is by Black Radiance, and just blend everything all together. You want a nice, flawless face. So you want everything to be nice and cohesive and everything to blend together so you have a nice, fresh face. For blush, I usually keep it a nice orange tone. Guys, to be honest, like, I've been searching for a bomb blush palette for a very long time and just haven't found one that has captured my eyes or that has the range that I would like. So I've honestly been using eyeshadow palettes. Like, I usually grab one of my $5 Profusion palettes and just use a orange or a pink shade from there. But the good part about it is I did hear that the Crown Case is coming out with one. So now I'm just spraying my face with some setting powder and we're done. I got some foundation in my hair, so I need to get that out. But this is a look I usually go for. Really easy on the eyeshadow, really easy on the face. It looks nice and neutral. I really like it. It's not too harsh anywhere. I just really this is actually darker than what I wanted, but it's okay. It's all good. Okay, and then I'm gonna grab my favorite. It's the 144 Naked Dare. Love this color. It goes with everything. This liner is way darker than I wanted it to be, but that's cool. And I usually do put some gloss on. I love the formula in these glosses, guys. They're so bomb. Just to peeking it up a little bit. Okay. I'm gonna go get this foundation out, but yeah, this is the look. Just because I'm just doing like a I'm sorry, that's bothering me. Just because I'm doing just like a normal t-shirt picture, nothing. I'm trying to sit up, guys. Let me scoot back. Actually, nothing like extremely fancy. Like, this is fine. Now, if I was going for a more sexier look, I would probably definitely change my hair, go a little bit darker on the lip. I would definitely do a little bit of a darker bronzer. But as far as the base, this is the base. And guys, I've really been using the heck out of my Maybelline Superstay foundation. Like, I've been using this for like 3 weeks straight. Like, that Morphe powder and that combined together is so bomb on my face. I love it. Try it out. It may work just as good for you.